With this session, we are going to discuss about periods and the groups present in modern periodic table. As we know, in our modern periodic table, we have 7 periods and 18 groups. Like if we move in periodic table in horizontal way, the rows is considered as the periods. We have 7 periods, and while we are moving in vertical line, this is considered the column. This is considered the group in term. So there are 18 groups present in periodic table. While we see that periods, the elements arranged in the period, they have consecutive manner in atomic number. Means the arrangement of the elements is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that atomic number is followed while we move along to the period. But in group, the elements in a group do not have consecutive manner in atomic number. They are arranged in increasing order of the atomic number but not in consecutive manner. Like if that number present in that particular group, they are in increasing order but not in a series. So all of the elements present in a same group, they have a one similarity. That is, they have a same number of electron present in their outermost shell. Like for example, if you consider the group number 1, in which these many elements are present: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, uranium, like this. And all elements have one electron in their outermost shell. Same thing happened with the group number 2. It means the group number 2 represents in that particular elements present in the group number 2. All elements have two electrons in their outermost shell. So this kind of the similarity is present in the elements which present in a same group. And if we'll consider the same period, the elements in a same period have a consecutive arrangement of atomic number. Like you can see here, we have total 18 groups. While we move vertically in the column says, you can see the numbers mentioned: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. They are divided into two subgroup, like consider the 8A and 8B. So here 8A, 1A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all these transition metals belongs to the B part. So here this completely it shows that each group shows the outermost cell have a same number of electron. Like we are completely left the transition metal part, but if we'll consider the from here that A group part, in which if we'll consider the first group have one electron in the outermost cell in each element. Here have two electron, here have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let that sequence is followed in group. The elements present do not have any consecutive manner in their atomic number. Like you can see the numbers get vary: 1, 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87, like this. But the outermost cell have same number of electron in a particular group. How many number of the elements are present? All have same number of electron present in their outermost cell in a particular group. Now if we'll see along to the period, we have total 7 periods while we move horizontally in a row time. So here like the sequence of atomic number in consecutive manner, like 1 you can see here, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Till completely you can see that completely have a sequence manner. And that completely is moved according to the property, the element property it get vary while we move along to the period. So this is a general information about the groups and the periods in a periodic table. In the further more session, we are discussing in more detail about the groups and the periods. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.